Michelle Fernandez, yes. And of course, we also have Ma'am to join us for this distribution. And these are the first batch of the Bangsamoro cards. Mga kasama po natin nasa harap ay mga child development workers at para-social workers representing the many CDWs and PSWs all throughout special geographic area and Maguindanao del Norte. Alright, I think you can see po, no? Medyo maliit kasi dito sa harap, no? Baka nakikita po natin hawak na po nila kailang mga Bangsamoro cards. This is of course powered by GCash. I'd like also to acknowledge while they are still taking their photo. Forward po. Forward daw po tayo para sa ating photo opportunity. We are joined also by Sir Harry ng PSWO of SGA. Forward po tayo. While they're taking their photo opportunity, allow me to recognize also and acknowledge the presence of the local government unit representatives. We have here the Municipal Administrator of Sultan Kudarat, Sir Banjo M. Mangkun. Is Sir here? Sir. And of course, from LGU Pahabuti, we have, on behalf of Mayor Yasser Ibrahim, we have MSWDO Farakana Harun Abdulba. Dito ba si Ma'am? Sama ba natin? Ayan si Ma'am. Andun po si Ma'am. Alright, that's our Bangsamoro card, ladies and gentlemen. We have distributed it to our chosen PSWs and CDWs. Inshallah po, no, meron din po tayo yan sa ating mga samahang mga CDWs, PSWs, no, at other beneficiaries of the programs of MSSC. Again, ang vision, no, unified po, no, isahang card, no, at masisimbilin po siya kainin para sa atin. Isahang card po para po sa lahat po ng beneficiaryo na iba't ibang programa ng pamahalaang Bangsamoro. So, this is just the first step, no, unang utang ng puto. Ngayon po, si MSSC po yung magamit po at unang gumamit no, ng Bangsamoro card. Hopefully, ang ibang mga ministries din po in the Bangsamoro region will also do the same. So much to our key officials and our beneficiaries. Again, that's Ma'am Nalisa Ilang Galen, Norhata Masdal,